Yo guys, Sashriya Khan, Namaste and what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well and all you guys having amazing day so far. So I'm back with brand new video regarding GOB, and in this video I will show you one trick, or you can say this is kind of advice which I will give you in this video. So a lot of guys were asking me how you getting 200 fragments almost every time. So you can see how I spin. So first just collect the coins up to 2300, and then try to spin it, because when you spin in that way, that I think then the chances are more higher than the if you do the spin other way, like every time like you getting 230 coin, then you spin, then you getting 350 coin, then you again spin. So don't do that. And the second thing is that see how I spin. I just click on it, like see, then I just quickly click on back button. So in this way there are like two things which is happening. First, that spin complete immediately, and second, in this way 5 out of 4 time I got 200 fragments of Orochi. Only one day I did not get the 200 fragments of Orochi, because on that day I did not spin up to 800 coins. So because I did not had that much coins on that day, so I did not spin on that day. And but on any other day I spin up to 800 coins, and I got 4 times 200 fragments of Orochi. So just try this trick, what I said in the video. Like first collect the 2300 coins or 2000 coin, or second thing is that spin like this, how I am doing. Just click on spin and then quickly click on the back button, then again go in, then again click on spin button, then again click on back button. So that's how I do, and I usually get 200 fragments, as you can see. And I hope this trick will work on your devices and you will get 200 fragments of Orochi. And if you gets the fragments, please let me know in the comment section. And I hope this will work on your devices. And now for the gameplay. So I'm sharing the gameplay of event, and in this gameplay I played aim off. So past 2 or 3 days I'm just trying to play aim off. So I'm not like really perfect, but still I'm like doing good. You will see that. And the thing is that with the aim of that, using Barracuda and Orion is very easy with aim off, but using AR and shotgun combo is very difficult to use, especially when you don't have aim on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn that notification bell on. And I will catch you in the next video. Stay safe.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Merciless. Double elimination.
That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
You rock. Perfect aim.
me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stars. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm gonna do this on my own.
Perfect aim. Revenge.
No point in blaming you. You
Nice.
did not know.